flat tire, a surprise medical bill. Your job disappears overnight. Financial emergencies don't wait for you to get ready. So the question is, are you prepared? Did you know nearly 60% of people can't cover a $1,000 emergency without going into debt? It's not about being bad with money. It's about never being taught how to prepare. Life happens fast. If you're not ready, small problems can turn into big expenses. The best way to protect yourself? An emergency fund. Money set aside for unexpected costs. Start with a goal of $1,000 as your first milestone. Then aim for 3 to 6 months of essential expenses: rent, food, bills, transportation. This isn't investment money. Keep it in a high-yield savings account, easy to access but out of sight to avoid temptation. How do you build one? Start small. Cut one non-essential subscription, sell something you don't use, or save $5 a day with a no-spend challenge. Set up automatic transfers. Even $20 a week adds up. Remember, consistency beats intensity. It's about being protected, not perfect. Having an emergency fund saves your finances and your peace of mind. When life hits, you'll be ready, not panicking. Drop A in the comments if you're starting your fund today. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, powerful money tips right here on Cash Compass.